The automobile is woven into Detroit's DNA. And from the most passionate car community in the world comes your one-of-a-kind motorsports destination and automotive playground. The Champion Motor Speedway is 1.5 miles of performance track, featuring 11 technical corners, a 1/3 mile straightaway, and 30 feet of elevation change. An exhilarating venue for technology demos, thrill rides, custom driving schools, or enjoying your private car collection, where over 150,000 fans gather annually to watch some of the most thrilling motorsports events in the world. Drifting, street legal drag racing, time attack competitions, and other thrilling events. Featuring a 2.5-acre vehicle dynamics pad with over 100,000 square feet of blacktop, a 6,000 square foot event tent, and the largest luxury garage community in the world. The ideal setting for product launches, tech exhibitions, festivals, large-scale demos, client entertainment, and events. Just 30 minutes away from anywhere in Metro Detroit. The palette for your personal passion and the platform for your next corporate moonshot. The M1 Concourse is your perfect venue.